In this video, we are going to see how to add social icons to your high-level funnel. It's not straightforward, but if you know the right trick, you will be able to do it in seconds. Like if I go to here, if I go to this column over here and delete this, I'm going to add 3 images. The images will be the social icons. So let's add an image over here. So I have added 3 images, and remember, you need to add the images one after another, not in different columns, but in the same column. You need to add them in the same column. And once you add them, you just select the column or just click on this gear icon, go to this column layout thing and select horizontal. There you go. We have successfully put 3 social icons beside one another. It's really simple if you know the right thing.